Hey, year five, we are back together. We are going to work on some division sentences, and I want to talk to you about related facts and estimation. The first thing you should do, it doesn't matter which strategy you are going to work with. Related facts, estimation, if you are going to use another division fact, you always need to start with multiples of 3. This is your guide. The multiples of 3, as it is divided by 3, the multiples of 3 is the one who is gonna guide you. It doesn't matter which strategy you are gonna use. This strategy, the strategy that your family taught you, multiples of 3, because it's divided by 3. If it were divided by 4, multiples of 4. If it were divided by 7, multiples of 7. So, my hint for you is to practice a little bit. When you start, write a line with the multiples of 3. Why not? Just 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Now, look how the strategies are connected. As I know estimation, and I know that in estimation I need to find the comparable number, the moment that I write my multiples and I see 18, while my number has this beautiful 19 over here, I know I need to move no further. I know I don't need to move further. I would even write that my comparable number is 118. Teacher, can I go to the next number? Your next number would be 210. It would be 21. You could go to the comparable number to the 210, but in the related facts, you couldn't go to the 21 because it's more, okay? It's more. What you need to understand about the multiples is that the multiple means a multiplication sentence. So 3 is 3 times 1, 6 is 3 times 2, 9 is 3 times 3, 12 is 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6. You know, the multiples, they mean a smaller multiplication sentence because every time I'm talking about division, I'm talking about multiplication. So, 3 times which number gives me 192, I'm sorry. So, I know that 3 times 6 is going to give me the 18. If I do 3 times 60, I found 180, and I already solved this. I know that 180 divided by 3 equals 60. And I can even come here and already solve. 210 equals 3 times 7 gives me 21. So 3 times 70. I already solved the estimation. You see how estimation is faster? Well, so I found 182, but I need 192. I am missing 12. If I find 12, I find the total that I want. 3. I can't put another number besides 3 because I'm dividing by 3. 3 times which number gives me 12? I already wrote my multiples. 3 times 4. 3 times 60 gives me 180. 3 times 4 gives me 12. When I put them together, I find 192. So 60 groups plus 4 groups gives me 64. So 3 times 64 gives me 192. Do you want to check? Let's check. 64 times 3. First way to check, 64 is between 6 and 70. So as I estimated, I know that my result is reasonable. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 6, 18. Plus 1, 19. Okay, let's do one more. Very quickly. And we are going to practice this during class. So make sure you watch this video more than once if you need. Because in class we are going to need to find compatible number, estimated quotient, and related fact quotient. Okay, so make sure you understood the process. Let's have a look at 714 divided by 7. Let's think about the multiples of 7 because it is divided by 7. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. I think we can stop here because as a compatible number, I can go to 700. Because 714, I can go to 700 as a compatible number. And then I can estimate that 700 divided by 7 equals 100, because 7 times 100 equals 700. So according to my estimation, 714 divided by 7 is something around 100. Okay, let's see through the related facts if my estimation is right. So I am looking for 7 times equals 114. I already know that 7 times 100 give me 700. How much is missing from the 700 to the 714? It's missing 14. So I need 14 more to find the total that I need. And I already know by my multiples that 7 times 2 gives me 14. If I have 100 groups and I make 700, and if I have 2 groups and I make 14, and together they give me what I want, if I put these groups together, I found 102. It is reasonable because of my estimation, but I can always check. 102 times 7, 14. 7 times 0, 0, plus 1, 1. 7 times 1, 7. Okay, so watch this video again if you need. If you didn't understand any piece of the process, go to Click Meeting and ask Teacher Ariel. You are going to have the option to work with Teacher Ariel in other division sentences, and if you got it, you have the option to work by yourself. Okay, but make sure you know how to find the multiples, the compatible number, the estimation, and the related fact. Let's just 714 divided by 7 equals 102. Never forget to complete your sentence. If you stop here and don't give me this number, your exercise is not complete, okay? Thank you very much. See you on Click Meeting.